I've been carrying around this rope plug kit for the bike since I've been riding, and I haven't had to use it in anger yet, but unfortunately today I noticed a flat on the car tyre, so I thought it was a good chance to get some practice and use it. Here are the sticky rope plugs themselves. We've got the reamer tool for cleaning and widening the hole, and the rubber cement to make sure it sticks, and the inserter tool. Here's the problem: you want to avoid losing as much air as possible, so I'm going to be ready with the reamer tool as soon as I've got the screw out of the hole. Yeah, we are losing quite a bit of air there. Okay. So I'm going to apply the rubber cement to the rope. Make sure it's covered well so we get a good vulcanizing seal. So it's about 3/4 of the way in. Now we need to pull it out, leaving the plug in place. And then we just need to cut the excess of the rope away from the tyre with the sharp blade. That. And then finally I just need to re-inflate the tyre. So far so good. Can't hear anything. Just try some soapy water. See if we get any bubbles. I think it went okay. Yeah, if you're carrying one of these kits on your motorbike and hoping to be able to fix a puncture, I would recommend having a practice if you get the chance. Obviously you can't do it till you get a flat or change a tyre or something. The hardest part was definitely getting the sticky rope into the tyre. I did notice the tyre gushed air after I'd used the reamer tool on it, so that was obviously making a difference to make the hole bigger. So I suppose I could have made it a bit bigger still if I needed to. I will get the car to the garage as soon as possible and hopefully it holds. Thanks for watching.